What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Tivo Stream 4K Android TV. Stay tuned. Alright, so I decided to pick up this Android TV from Tivo just because I needed an extra Android TV, Android box, however you want to call it, Google Chrome, whatever you want to call it, you could call it because there's different names. But I just needed something different. I already have the Google Chromecast, if I'm not mistaken, the 4K, the new one. I also have a 2017 NVIDIA Shield, work excellent. I use it daily, no question asked. But I want to try something different. And usually, if you have a smart TV, you do have like your Netflix, your YouTube, your Hulu, this, that, and the third. But it's not the same if you buy a dedicated Android box, Android TV, which you call it now. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we get inside. All right, so you get the dongle itself. It looks very familiar, like your Google Chromecast. It's Type-C. Well, this is micro USB as power, and a Type-C for like anything else. Like if you want to put a hub and connect the keyboard, a mouse, all that good stuff, or USB Type A on it, on the hub itself. So it's that's pretty nice. You don't get that from the Google Chromecast, the 4K, the newer one, or the older one. You get the control right here. Let's open it up. Let's see. Okay, see, this is a real control. I'm actually digging this. This looks really good. I like this way better, and I haven't even used it, but I like it way better than the Google Chrome. Why? It's small. It's white. You can get that lost real quick. And this one is nice. It has a nice feeling to it, up and down, all that good stuff. Have a dedicated Netflix button here. So it looks pretty good. Comes with batteries. USB Type A power to the wall, and then the cable itself. Like I said, this micro USB to power it up. And you got a little booklet and a little, whatever this is called, a little booklet instruction how to start everything up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this to my TV, and the TV that I'm plugging this into, it's not a 4K TV. It's a regular 1080p HD TV, which wasn't smart, but we are gonna make it smart with this bad boy. So let's go and plug this in and let's see how everything the setup and how it looks. All right, so the main screen is gonna tell you what language. I know y'all can't see it, but first one is gonna be English, obviously. It says quickly set up your Android TV with your Android phone if you want to. You know what? You should do it that way. You should just plug it in with your phone. So let's hit continue. All right, so it's gonna give you all the directions that you need to do. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna do it real quick, and I'll be right back. So after you've done everything you need to do on your phone to connect your Google account to the Tivo Stream 4K, it's gonna upgrade its software. So you just gotta give it a few seconds or even a few minutes to download the new software, which is pretty good. That means that they are doing their thing in the background to upgrade to make it seem more usable with all the new apps that is gonna be developed. So, and it tells you right there, this update There you go. So it's updating now. I was gonna read it, but it said about the remote, better connectivity with the Wi-Fi, new apps, like in the bottom it says YouTube Music. So it's pretty cool. So let's let this upload, and it's gonna reset. Okay, so the whole setup is done. Smooth, yeah, but there's a lot of extra steps that you gotta do. First, you have to be create an account with Sling. I kind of understand it because Sling, I guess Sling designed and provided the whole Android TV thing, which is cool. The service seems decent. Pricing is not that expensive if you want to have live TV compared to other places, but that's for another video. I will get into it. I've been playing around with it. So before that, after you done with the Google account, it's gonna ask you to set up the account with Sling. All right, cool. Then they tell you the usual things, what you want, this, that, and the third. I'm cool with that. One thing that I have to say is, let me see if I could. There you go. This control, oh man, this feels way better than, there you go, than the control that comes in the Chrome TV, the 4K one, the latest one, man. Is no lag, no nothing. When you press the button, it goes where it's supposed to. They do have this one section where you can set up the TV and the receiver. It wasn't working for me, which that's no big deal. I'm usually have two control, one for the Android, and then one for my receiver. I'm okay with that. It would have been nice if it would have worked, but I don't have no problem with that. That's nothing. You have about 4.5 gigs to add apps to your Android TV, which is pretty cool. The layout is the same layout. If I'm not mistaken, this is running Android 9. Pretty soon, all of them is gonna be Android 10 with the new interface, just like the Chrome TV 4K has. So it's pretty nice. I really can't complain about this, man. It is, the good thing about it is easy to take around. Like if you're going somewhere else and you want to take it, it's not gonna take so much space. It's 4K, so no matter what TV you throw it on, you're gonna get the best quality out of it. The setup, like I said, another video, I am gonna get the hub, so you can see how good it is to have a little keyboard where you could type everything you want if you want to search, because sometimes it get annoying with the control. But the control itself, I really dig it. I'm actually really comfortable with it. Good thing I could turn it off and on. I like it. My advice, if y'all planning to get something like this, y'all tired of the lag that the smart TV have, I got it for $35. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I'd rather deal with that than having the headache of the lag or not be able to customize or put things or find things or add things to it. And the good thing about it is, like I said, you could put a Type-C hub on it, and you could put a hard drive to it, and you could just have a bunch of stuff running into it. I'm not saying to put a lot of games to run through it. I don't know if it's gonna work that good. I haven't tried it. I don't think I'm gonna try, because I don't really play that much games on my Android TVs. But if you can, and if you want, you could get like a USB flash drive, 32 gigs. That's plenty enough to add all the apps you want. If you want to download certain things, to have it there, go for it. But I am gonna look into the Sling and see what they offer for the amount, and let's see how that does. Like I said, if you like this video and it was helpful for you to pick up this Tivo Android TV provided by, I guess, Sling, let me know in the comment below. Just let me know, like, hey, Kartoon, you know what? I picked it up. I enjoy it. It's better than what I have on my TV that came on it. Dope. That's the whole reason I'm doing this, so people will know that there is other options instead of the one that comes on the TV. Like I said, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.